Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to discussing about you regular expressions in Python. It is in a sequence of characters that from the forms of the search patterns and finding patterns, different patterns are available in regular expressions. Is in a regex, we can call it as in a word, we can call it as in a capital R-E-G-E-X, we can call it as in a regular expression. Use it to check a string contains a specific search pattern is available or not. And sometime it's in a regex is in a module, and Python has a built-in package, we can call it as in a -re. It's a regular expression which can be used to work with the regular expression particular module details and all. And we will see have a session with this and how to import this regular expression module and work with this. Just simply start with this import -re to regular expression. We can use this re, just again re regular expression, and now simply a simple standardization word. First I will go to explain you, later we will see the more examples. See here, this country, the country is cool. A simple keyword string I'm sending here, and x a variable I'm sending a pattern. Now see here, re dot search method if I used from the regular expression, and here the double quotes it is started, and the escape character, cap character we can call it as d, which is available or not, d dot, and star cool, cool. The keywords I am mentioning here, and the ending of the position of the dollar symbol here, and stop. Now we have to pass the what is the keyword of message we have written here, this one. Okay, and now see here, if I print x, if the x pattern is matching, what I want to print is the string is matching. Simple word is yes, the string is matching. Else what it goes? Else part is not print. You can see that no matches. Now see, run this. Yes, the string starting beginning with what is the character is here beginning with this, and the cool we have a specified here with the ending dollar symbol ending with this, whether which where pattern search pattern this is, we can call it as this search pattern from where it should be searched, this thing. This is the string I'm passing with through this variable. I'm passing here, and I'm the completely the search pattern and variable I'm passing to that regular expression of search method. Ready-made functionalities and built-in functionalities all are, but we should know how to write a pattern. Once we know the pattern, how to write in a pattern and implementing the patterns, that is very much pretty easy to understand and write the regular expressions in Python. Now this is the x I am identifying. If x if the pattern is matching, yes, the string is matching. If x is not matching, it will be shows is in a no match case is available. That much of pretty much easy in regular expression functions. And in addition to in regular expression, more offers. Basically, I will give you a four of regular usage purpose. Rest of the things, if any available in update of the Python languages, you can refer the Python. Now see here, find all is an one function is available for returning list containing all matches, and the search another function which is the returns match case object. There is a match anywhere in the string. We have used anyhow here in a search method. If any match cases like this in the starting position and if this after the ending position, if it is available, it can be matched. Now we have written this matches the string. And one more thing is a split is there is a function, and a subtract is in a function. Subtract, which is a function, will use for to replace if any match cases is available within the given string. All right. Now we will see is a find all method how to implement in this. The find all is a very much pretty easy to replace with the search to find all. We can get what are the strings which is available in Python, this given string. Like the search we am replacing find all. That's it. And now what I want to find here, CO. I'm finding this CO as well as this CO is there. From where I'm finding from the message, right? And straight away I'm printing the X. Not required to identifying the case now. Print of X. That's it. See now execute. See CO is available here. It's list item. It's printing. CO. And if I place here is it available within the given the string? Execute. Yes, is available. That is pretty much easy. And also there is an information which is a not available keyword if you are given. And also you have to specify something like if anyone like no matches as a match case is there, and like that is the extension we have prepared in earlier function, no, like if condition implementation, that can also be possible to have an implementing and handling such errors if any. Now search is over and find all is over. Now we will see with the split, and re dot split you can specify here re dot split, and split in the sense backslash s I'm mentioning here, in the sense backslash s means there is a space I have to be implemented in the new line. Now see here, like a new keyword is an assume that the see the one v1 is one thing, one item, and country is another item, and is another item, and cool is another item. A common string I am splitting with the space by using this keyword backslash and s. By splitting with this using the space, I am splitting to different items. Which item if I want to match, that item I can use it. All right. Similarly, we have a substitute. If anything, if we want to substitute, like spaces is there here, no? Like we can use to sub. Can use here sub, like replacing which space is available over there with a digit of 0. We can using sub function the comma double quotes the 0 again comma from this string. Now see here, with these spaces will be filled with the 0 of using this is sub. Now see here 0 country 0 is 0, likewise anything you can give here, anything you can give, it can be replaced with that particular. Likewise very simple functionality you can use to have an information about these programs and default methods, and you can use the default modules, built-in modules to use to develop a Python web applications. Try to practice more and more patterns. I'll give you a notebook completely with the patterns which are match cases are available, case letters in the tutorial here. Practice it. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.